Welcome to PandaHall, where decorative pendants bring your designs to life. Easily explore hundreds of designs, all sorted by material, theme, color, and shape. Whether you're shopping for a project or building your own brand, we've got the perfect pendant for you. Easily browse thousands of pendants by color, shape, theme, and more. Cute, dreamy, bold, or minimal, there's a pendant for every vibe. These pendants aren't just decorations, they're inspiration. Add them to necklaces, bracelets, earrings, back charms, hair clips, and more. You design it, we help you shine. Thousands of pendants, unlimited possibilities. Your creativity deserves the best. Only at PandaHall. Thanks for watching. Add your favorites to the cart and start creating in minutes.